देशभक्तों से ही देश की शान है, देशभक्तों से ही देश का मान है। हम उस देश के फूल है यारो, हम उस देश के फूल है यारो, जिस देश का नाम हिंदुस्तान है। With these lines, I, Shivani Negi, a first year BCA student, welcome you all to a very beautiful campus of Amrapali Group of Institutes. Independence Day is celebrated joyfully in our campus every year. However, this year, the celebrations were restricted as per the government guidelines of COVID-19. The celebrations were limited to the flag hosting and singing of the national anthem. However, many activities were conducted in online mode under the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav 75 years of Indian independence campaign by Indian government, including a patriotic singing competition and a speech competition. So let's now have some glimpses of Independence Day celebration at Amrapali Group of Institutes.
चलो फिर से वो नज़ारा याद कर लें, शहीदों के दिल में थी जो ज्वाला वो याद कर लें, जिसमें बहकर आज़ादी पहुंची थी किनारे पर, बलिदानियों के खून की वो धारा याद कर लें. Respected management, directors of various institutes, registrar, my fellow colleagues and my dear students, a very good morning to one and all. I, Pooja Mehta, on behalf of Amrapali Group of Institutes, welcomes you all to 75th Independence Day celebrations. Today, we stand united to celebrate and honor our nation and our sovereignty. This is an occasion to commemorate the values of our democracy and further development as progressive nation. And above all, this is an occasion to celebrate India and the spirit of being Indian. India became independent on August 15, 1947, which we celebrate each year as Independence Day. This day reminds us for all the sacrifices the freedom fighters have made to secure the country's future. Since its independence, India has made stellar progress in every field, including education, military, and space programs. This year, our country is celebrating theme Nation First and Always First. Jan Utsav Jan Ke Dwara campaign to celebrate the local heroes at district and panchayat level. As we all know that the COVID-19 pandemic has impacted every segment of our human civilization. Taking into account the safety and security of all, today's Independence Day celebration shall be brief. The program's schedule shall be as follows. Flag hoisting at 9 a.m. by respected management, followed by national anthem. Independence speech by Professor Dr. Siddharth Sharma, Director Central Training and Placement. At last, the celebration shall end with refreshment. I would like to request respected management board, registrar to come forward for the flag hoisting ceremony.
जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा, चंचल जलधि तरंगा, तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाए तब जय गाथा, जन गण मंगलदायक, जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
भारत माता की वंदे वंदे।
Our national anthem always pulls the chord deep down inside. Anytime we sing, pumping a fresh flow of blood to our heart, creating goosebumps and giving us the essence of Indian pride. मेरे प्यारे देश की पुण्य भूमि को शीश झुकाकर नमन है, जिसकी चंदन सी महकती रज में रची बसी है महान संस्कृति, सभ्यता और संस्कारों की महक. Our guest of honor, retired Colonel R.C. Bhandari, due to unavoidable engagement, could not make his presence and has sent his best wishes to the entire Amrapali family. Now I would like to request Professor Dr. Siddharth Sharma, Director Central Training and Placement, Amrapali Group of Institutes, for marking his thoughts for such a glorious day.
Thank you, ma'am. Esteemed management of Amrapali Group of Institutes, respected directors, registrar, dean, faculty members, administrative and support staff, and my dear students. At the outset, wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. Vande! 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 It is my privilege today to stand before you all with my head held high beneath this tricolor and share my message to all of you on this 75th Independence Day. The entire nation today celebrate this day with great pride and with patriotic exhilaration. At the outset, my heart goes out for all the freedom fighters who have sacrificed their lives to let us breathe and live in this independent India without any shackles. Today, we must not be forgetful of the freedom that we enjoy is a result of invaluable sacrifices of countless bravest men and women who in the blink of an eye laid their lives just so that we can live in an independent India. My tribute to all those freedom fighters. चूम कर जिसने कभी फंदे को गले लगा लिया, हंस हंस कर जिसने जिंदगी को लुटा लिया, शत शत नमन उन्हें हम करें, शत शत नमन उन्हें हम करें. Ladies and gentlemen, my heart also goes out for all our soldiers who selflessly serve and protect this beautiful nation. From the toughest terrains, including the hottest deserts to the coldest ice-capped mountains, to the deepest oceans and to the mightiest skies, our soldiers serve the nation selflessly. Dear fellow Indians, I take this pride on behalf of you all to salute the brave souls and also their families and kins who much fearlessly embrace the martyrdom of their near and dear ones with great humility. करो याद उन तुम वीरों को जिनकी सरहद पर जान गई, करो याद उन बालाओं को जिनकी इस रण में आन गई, करो याद उन माताओं को जिनके अपने प्रिय खोए, करो याद उन बहनों को जो रक्षा बंधन पर रोए. लहू बहाकर सीमाओं पर अमन चैन का फूल खिलाया, अपने प्राणों की बलि देकर भारत माँ का मान बढ़ाया. सरहद पर मिटने वाले अजर अमर सब हो जाएंगे, मरकर भी हम इन वीरों का कर्ज कैसे चुकाएंगे. With the theme of the nation first, always first, this 75th Independence Day celebration has much to think, talk and act upon. The recent COVID-19 pandemic swept the economic, social and psychological well-being of many of our fellow Indians. Though the catastrophic pandemic stalled the nation's development for a while, with great pride, with great spirit, we stood tall to face and hush it. Needless to mention that with the development of indigenous vaccine and support of several COVID warriors, the nation will emerge victorious. However, as responsible citizens, we are duty-bound to take all the necessary precautions and assist the government and the COVID warriors in every possible ways. Having said so, we all must be aware and thankful of the sacrifices made by every Corona or COVID warrior. In the midst of darkness, lights persist. Amidst the dark clouds of COVID-19 pandemic, the nation also emerged strongly in the recent Olympics 2021. With highest ever medals for the first time in the history of India, the youth of the nation has given an opportunity to every fellow Indian to soar high and smile. The discipline, commitment and perseverance of these youth is an inspiration for many. बनो परम पुरुषार्थी, बनो तेज बलवान, बनो धीर गंभीर तुम हो सबसे महान. पराकाष्ठा वीरत्व की छूलो देश के वीर, सबल प्रबल चल बह सदा जैसे बहता नीर. छोड़ असंभव शब्द को सब संभव है जान, तू युवा यौवन भरा, निज शक्ति पहचान. Post-independence, the country grew by leaps and bounds in all spheres. Education, health, trade and commerce, science and technology, defense, space, agriculture, infrastructure including housing, power, telecom, transportation, drinking water, irrigation, and several other sectors have shown promising growth. This growth is dedicated to each one of us who have toiled hard to make this nation a great nation. Education has played a very significant role in the struggle for independence. It is truly the education that liberated the youth of that time to raise their voices against the exploitative British rule. Post-independence, the educational institutions have contributed in a myriad way towards the better India. As we speak today, the education and the educational institutions have continued to liberate the people around us. As an academic institution, we have in all possible ways contributed towards nation building by imparting knowledge and skills and enabling successful life for many. As teachers, we must realize that on our shoulders lies the responsibility of developing informed, responsible, and vocal citizens. With great humility and pride, we must feel fulfilled that our mission of touching lives the way no one else does is completed. Dear fellow citizens, believe me when I say, your pride for your country should not come after your country becomes great. Rather, your country becomes great because of your pride in it. Today, on this day, let us pledge to take pride in our country and strive to make it the greatest. While requesting to do so, I find these lines very appropriate for all of us. In these lines lies the beauty of this wonderful country. Prakritya suramyam vishalam prakamam saritarhare lalalam nikamam himadri lalate padecha visindhu priyam bharatam tat sada darshaniyam. Enchanting landscapes over a vast territory, rivers and stars form an exceedingly beautiful garland. Crowned by the Himalayas, the sea at her foot, beloved India is in every way spectacular. Dhananam nidhanam dharayam pradhanam idam bharatam deviloke nitulyam yasho yasya shubram videsheshu geetam priyam bharatam tat sada pujaniyam. A reservoir of wealth that flows in the prominent streams, this India is comparable to the abode of gods. Ballet of her untarnished fame are sung in foreign lands. Beloved India is forever venerated. Aneke pradesha, aneke chavesha, anekani rupani bhasha aneka, paranyatra sarve vayam bharatiya, priyam bharatam tat sada rakshaniya. Many states, varied costumes, many appearances, many languages, but we all are Indians. Beloved India, you are meant to be defended forever. Vayam bharatiya swabhumim namama, param dharmamekam sada manyama, yadartham dhanam jivanam charpayama, priyam bharatam tat sada vandaniya. We Indians bow to our motherland, we always follow the supreme dharma, to which we offer our wealth, our life. O beloved India, worthy of being respected forever. Dear all, let us take pride as Indians. Let us make the country proud. Let us put nation first, always first. Bharat Mata Ki! Bharat Mata Ki! Bharat Mata Ki! Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for giving this opportunity to put forward my thoughts on this pious day. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for reciting beautiful poem by Shri Chandrabhanu Tripathi, giving inspiration to the beauty of land, people, culture, and about the divine spirit of India. We all are fortunate to be a part of this great nation. I'm sure the students and faculty members present here have a lot to take away from your speech. Our independence has come a long way, and we must appreciate how far successive generations have brought us. We have to recalibrate our yardstick of achievement and success from quantity to quality, from a literate society to a knowledge society, from a nation that has room for all segments and all communities, to a family that evokes, encourages, and celebrates the uniqueness and potential in every citizen. We should always remember the golden heritage of our country and feel proud to be a part of India. With all those words, I once again wish all of you a happy Independence Day.
We pay our tribute to all our great freedom fighters who fought for our independence. We also thank our Indian Defence Forces for their selfless service to the nation. It is because of their sacrifice we live a comfortable and a peaceful life. We also salute the Corona warriors who work really very hard to keep us all safe during this tough time of pandemic. Amrapali Group of Institutes requests the entire student community to follow COVID-appropriate behavior and support the administration and government in this fight against Corona. Together we can and we will. Jai Hind.